It's Random Games, Jacob, and today I'm going to show you how to make a one-dimensional game with 2D graphics, Christmas themed, in CODEWISP. So a Christmas themed one-dimensional game with 2D graphics. Alright, so first, delete all this code in Wispy. Now instead of deleting the entire Wispy sprite, I'm going to show you how to make the Grinch with the Wispy costume. Alright, so first, make everything green. Just make everything green. Like so. And now we have Grinch speed. Alright, now go into the code editor and drop a forever block. Or you can just type all this if you don't feel like dragging blocks. Alright, so create two if statements. Like so. Alright, now you'll see that there are errors here saying expression expected. So go to sensing, get the key held down boolean, make sure it has the left and right arrows, like so. Then, in the condition for checking if the left arrow is pressed, type sprite.x minus equals 2. And in the if statement for checking if the right arrow is pressed, type in sprite.x plus equals 2. And now we got the player movement. That was rather short, wasn't it? Alright, now we make the gift, the present that we're supposed to steal. The draw tool is your best friend when doing this. Alright, so that's rather big. So, you can edit it in the costume editor yourself, or just change the size over here, or you can do it manually with sprite.size. Like sprite.size equals 80. Sure, let's go with that. Alright. Now, go to looks. Get the set visible to block. Make sure this thing here says false. Drag it into the code editor. So drag a create clone of myself block and an onClone start block. Now this is where I'll...
Oh, shut up, you dirty freezing.
Or something. I don't know.
Oh, shut up, I'm trying to do a tutorial here.
Alright, so type here, clone.visible equals true. Now the reason why we're not doing it with blocks is because, well, if we were to do it with blocks only and no typing, you see, it'll control the sprite instead of the clone. Alright, so since this is one-dimensional, you gotta set sprite y to 0. With this block over here, or you can type sprite.y equals 0. Now in the onClone start function, type clone.x equals math.random -200 200. And you'll see it spawns a gift at a random X position when you click start. Now drag the forever function on over here. And an if statement. No. In the forever loop. Alright. Now we're going to create a custom variable here on the top of the onClone start function. So type let chance equal math.random 150. Alright. So we need to detect if the present is touching GRINCH speed. What a horrible name for that. So we need to type clone.isTouching GRINCH speed over here. So we need to set the visibility to false using clone.visible equals false. But wait a minute! What's the chance variable for? Just for extra random numbers? Nope. Alright, so we delete clone.visible equals false. Get an if-else condition. Now you're going to type chance equals 25, or you can mess with the comparisons, like, for example, if chance is less than or equal to 30, and greater than or equal to 32. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna do 25. Now, if chance equals 25, the game is going to restart. Otherwise, the visibility of the clone will be false, not visible. Oh, and don't forget to create another clone. And now we got our game. Sorta. Alright, so at the very top of the script, we're going to create a global variable. So type in global, go to variables, create variable. You see this global variable over here. So that's going to be score. And the initial value is going to be 0. Or to go faster, you can just type globals.store equals 0. Alright. So if chance does not equal 25, the score increases by 1. So globals.score plus equals 1. Alright. Now, we're going to create a text manager that manages the text. So type let score text equal game dot create text, and at first we're going to display 0, and set the font size to 24. Now we're going to drag a forever function and type scoreText.setText, and then we type here globals.score. Oh, right, I forgot to set the X position and the Y position of scoreText. So type in scoreText.x equals -200, and scoreText.y equals 150. Actually, I think I'm gonna do -250 for this. But wait a minute! We forgot to set the initial position of GRINCH speed. So drag the set x2 block and the set y2 block. And now GRINCH speed is at the center, at the start of every game. Now we have a simple Christmas-themed game with 1D gameplay and 2D graphics. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.